What's up, Kick Fam? My name is Alex, and today we're taking a look at the Jordan 6 Tinker Hatfield. Alright, so just to get into a little quick background regarding this shoe, it dropped back in 2018. I believe October 6th was the original launch date. And to be honest, this is like one of the most underrated Jordan 6 colorways. I mean, it's super dope in terms of, the actual colors. You got white, gray, you got that dark blue, and you got hits of this nice bright orangish red color that really make for a crazy accent on the shoe. Now, compared to a lot of the other colorways, these are definitely slept on. All right, so the black and white infrared sixes, those are, two of the dopest of the colorway. The black, everybody knows those, that suede black with the hits of red, crazy dope. The white infrareds are dope as well. They got those crazy highlights of that red. That's what gives it its name, the infrared. But yeah, those are two super dope colorways. Also, you got the Jordan 6 DMP, which originally dropped, I think, back in 2006, and then just re-released this year. I believe it was in April, and that's the Jordan 6 Defining Moments pack, originally paired with a Jordan 11, I think. But yeah, that's another 6 that I do own. I will be doing a video on those soon, so keep an eye out for that one. Two other pairs of super dope 6s are the Carmine and the Jordan Hair, or the Hair Jordan 6s that were made famous by Bugs Bunny in the campaign that they did. These are definitely some of the dopest Jordan 6s that I've seen, and ones that really seem to be crowd pleasers and typically sell out fast. I don't know all the dates that they have released, but I know they've definitely released multiple versions of the infrared 6 in black and white, and they're actually about to do a new drop on the Hair Jordan 6s here soon. I believe they're currently scheduled to come out in June, but with everything that's going on with the coronavirus, they've definitely been moving those dates back on a lot of drops, but hopefully that'll be a W I will be able to get. They are kind of similar in terms of the Tinker Hatfield 6s. I think the gray color is a lot lighter, and the tongue on the shoe is multicolored, I believe, with red, orange, green, maybe yellow, and they also have a very unique sole. That's definitely one to keep an eye out for. Another Jordan 6 that definitely dropped that took the world by storm was a collaboration that Jordan did with Travis Scott. The Travis Scott 6s dropped, and man, those sold out instantly. I definitely took an L on those. Those are the ones that are like olive green, and compared to this one, they have like a little pocket flap right here. The whole upper is like that olive green suede, man, and they have glow in the dark bottoms. They're so dope. That's one that is definitely on my grail list. I'm just not ready to shell out all that money to buy them off of StockX or GOAT or Flight Club or any of those sites, but one day I'll definitely add them to the collection. All right, so just to get into the actual details of this shoe, you got your spoiler on the back. Everybody knows that spoiler. You got your red highlight. You got your Jordan Air. It doesn't have the Nike Air, but it has the Jordan Air on the back. You got your hits of red right there, and that tongue. The tongue is what's so crazy about this shoe when you're wearing them. The shoe is pretty basic, but that red just pops. And I don't know if you would call this red or orange or a combination of the both, but you got that there, and you got that actually on your Jumpman. Super dope colorway. At first I thought these were black, white, and gray, but once I actually got them in hand, I realized that that is actually a dark blue, which is a nice little highlight. These are definitely not dead stock. I have worn them. As you can see from probably looking at the bottom, they have the Jumpman on there, and they have the icy blue soles on part of the shoe. As you can see, I definitely have worn them. Now, I missed out on the initial drop of these. So what I did do is I went and actually copped them on StockX. I believe they were around like $150. I can actually check my receipt really quick. Okay, so yeah, if you can see that, they were actually $151, and then you got your stupid fees and things like that. That brought them up to about $170. Buying these from StockX with everything that's been going on with StockX recently, I was a little bit apprehensive because, people have been saying they've been getting fake shoes. So hopefully, all the research that I've done, I'm pretty sure they're authentic. Of course, with pairs from StockX, they come with their signature StockX stickers and a hang tag, which you should be able to scan to know if they're truly authentic or not. It's like their verified thing or whatever. They say keep it on the shoe, but I mean, I just want to rock my shoe for how it is. I don't need to keep a StockX tag on there. If we're talking about like 3s or something with a legendary hang tag, or like 6s, the DMP 6s that have the gold dog tag, I'm definitely gonna leave those on, but definitely not leaving the StockX verified hang tag on my shoes. Not that serious. Along with Jordan 1s, 6s are definitely pretty high on my list. I think these are like my second favorite compared to 1s. I currently do have 2 pairs of 6s in my collection. Like I mentioned, I have the DMP or the Defining Moment 6s, and I have these Tinker 6s. I'm thinking about getting a pair of the Wash Denim 6s that dropped. I believe they dropped last year or early this year, I can't remember. But they're sitting like crazy. I mean, you can still find those on literally all the foot sites, on Foot Locker, Foot Action, Finish Line, Champs. I mean, I'm pretty sure they're everywhere. And even on StockX, they're like super under retail. Most sites have them on sale for like, I don't know, like 150, 160, maybe like 170. But on StockX, you can definitely get them for like 120, depending on what your size are. And I'm actually thinking about getting a pair of those just so I can do a distress and custom. And that's something that you'd be interested in seeing. Definitely make sure you leave a comment. Let me know if that's a video you'd like to see. All right, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for our quick look today at the Jordan 6 Tinker Hatfield colorway. I appreciate everybody for watching. Make sure you like the video, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on those post notifications. That way you are notified whenever any new videos drop. If there's anything you'd like to see, make sure you definitely let me know down below. And we're gonna go ahead and get into some on-foot views of the Jordan 6 Tinker.